Imagine cruising down an open highway in something so small, so futuristic, and so metallic that people literally pull out their phones just to record you passing by. Today, we're diving into a tiny RV that looks like it rolled straight out of the future. A metallic adventure machine that proves you don't need a massive motorhome to live a massive life at first glance. This tiny RV doesn't even look real. Its sleek metallic body reflects the sky like a mirror. The sunlight glides across its smooth aluminum panels, giving it that spaceship on wheels vibe. It's compact, aerodynamic, and unbelievably eye-catching. But here's the crazy part. It's not just about looks. This tiny RV is built for real adventure. Now, let's talk size, because that's where things get interesting. This RV is small enough to park almost anywhere. Tight city streets? No problem. Narrow mountain roads? Easy. Beachside camping spot with limited space? You're in. And unlike those giant motorhomes that make you nervous at every turn, this metallic beast feels agile, confident, and surprisingly powerful. But don't let the tiny label fool you. Step inside, and this is where people's jaws drop. The interior is a masterclass in smart design. Every inch is used perfectly. There's a compact sleeping area that transforms from a seating lounge into a cozy bed within seconds. Underneath, hidden storage compartments for gear, clothes, and travel essentials. Overhead cabinets, sleek and minimal, but surprisingly spacious. The walls are finished with a clean metallic accent mixed with warm wood textures, creating this beautiful balance between futuristic and cozy. Soft LED lighting wraps around the ceiling, giving it that luxury ambient glow at night. It doesn't feel cramped. It feels intentional, and yes, it has a kitchenette, a small but functional cooking area with a fold-out counter, mini induction stove, compact sink, and a smart fridge drawer. Imagine pulling up to a cliffside view, opening the side hatch, and making coffee while watching the sunrise. That's the vibe. That's the freedom. Now here's where the adventure part kicks in. This tiny RV is designed for off-grid exploration. Solar panels line the roof, quietly charging the onboard battery system. You can power your lights, charge your devices, even run small appliances without plugging into a campsite. There's a water storage system built underneath the chassis, plus a simple but efficient shower setup that pops out from the rear. It's minimal, but it's enough. And honestly, that's the beauty of it. This metallic adventure RV forces you to simplify. You pack smarter. You travel lighter. You focus on experiences instead of stuff. Picture this. You wake up in the middle of nowhere. No city noise. No traffic. Just nature. You slide open the door, step outside barefoot, and breathe in crisp morning air. The metallic exterior reflects the golden sunrise behind you. Your entire home, your entire world, fits into this compact machine. And yet, it feels limitless. Driving it feels different too, because you're not just commuting, you're exploring. Every road becomes a possibility. Every turn becomes a story. Gas stations turn into mini adventures. Small towns become hidden gems. And the best part? You're never in a rush. Your home is with you. What makes this tiny metallic RV even more exciting is how efficient it is. Smaller engine, better fuel economy, lower maintenance costs. You're not draining your wallet just to chase freedom. And in a world where everything is getting bigger and more complicated, this feels refreshingly simple. But let's be real, it's not perfect. You won't have a king-sized bed. You won't have a giant bathroom. You won't have endless closet space. But here's the twist. Once you start living in something like this, you realize you don't need all of that. The tiny space pushes you outside. It encourages you to explore rather than stay inside watching TV. And speaking of outside, this RV is built for it. The side panels open up into a shaded awning area. You can set up 2 foldable chairs and a compact table. Nighttime becomes magical. String lights hang from the edge, reflecting softly on the metallic body. You sit under the stars, listening to nothing but wind and maybe distant waves. It's peaceful in a way that's hard to describe. What really makes this tiny RV special isn't the technology. It's the feeling of independence, the feeling of mobility, the feeling of waking up somewhere new whenever you want. And here's something most people don't realize. Tiny RV living isn't just about travel. It's about mindset. It's about choosing experiences over excess. It's about freedom over clutter. The metallic design symbolizes that perfectly. It's bold. It's unapologetic. It doesn't try to blend in. It stands out, just like the lifestyle it represents. And imagine documenting this journey. Imagine turning this tiny RV into your content studio, filming sunrise coffee shots, cooking simple meals on the road, sharing real adventures instead of staged moments. The reflections on the metallic body alone make every shot look cinematic. Now, let's talk practicality for a second. Parking fees? Lower. Campground access? Easier. Urban stealth camping? More possible. Storage when not in use? Way simpler than a full-sized RV. That it's not just an adventure machine. It's a smart investment in freedom, and maybe the biggest surprise? The community. Tiny RV adventurers wave at each other. They share tips. They share hidden locations. There's something special about meeting someone else who chose this smaller, freer way of life. It feels like being part of a quiet movement. But here's the real question. Would you trade space for freedom? Would you trade luxury for mobility? Would you trade routine for adventure? Because this tiny metallic RV makes that decision very real. That IT challenges the idea that bigger is better. It challenges the belief that you need more to feel complete. Instead, it whispers something different. Maybe less is actually more. And by the time the sun sets and the metallic shell glows under moonlight, you realize something powerful. Adventure doesn't come from size. It comes from movement, from courage, from choosing to go. Imagine turning the key. Imagine the engine humming softly. Imagine pulling away from everything familiar. And imagine knowing that wherever you park, you're already home. That's the magic of this tiny RV metallic adventure. And honestly, once you experience it, there's no going back.